Hello, I'm Chris. Should you press the clutch first before the brake when stopping? Or brake, then clutch? This is a common question for new drivers, so I'm going to give you some demonstrations to help you understand which pedal to press first. Now it all depends on the speed you're driving and whether you're going uphill. Firstly, it's important to know why you need to press the clutch down before stopping. Well, without getting too technical, as there's lots of other videos on that, you simply need to press the clutch down before stopping or the car will stall. You will normally feel the car start to shake before it stalls. So if you feel this, press the clutch down quickly and you should save it from stalling. But to prevent it from stalling at all, you'd normally fully press the clutch down roughly 2 car lengths before you stop completely. I'm currently driving above 25 miles per hour in 3rd gear and I'm going to stop at the roundabout. The main priority, because of the speed I'm driving, is to slow down, so I'll come off gas and brake. Second priority is not to stall. Clutch down about 2 car lengths before stopping completely, and I can also change gear if needed at this point. The speed limit is 40 miles per hour, I'm driving over 30, so I'll release the gas pedal and press the brake to slow down more. And now clutch down about 2 car lengths before stopping. Now if you're driving slowly below 10 miles per hour and want to stop, then press the clutch before the brake so that the car doesn't stall, and then brake to slow down if needed or stop. When you're in slow moving stop-start traffic, release the gas, press the clutch to prevent it stalling, and then brake to slow down if needed or stop. But what happens if you're driving slowly, below 10 miles per hour, and press the brake first, then clutch? Well, it either stalls, or you get a jerky stop like this. So don't forget, when you're driving slowly, below 10 miles per hour, clutch, then brake. Driving faster than 10 miles per hour, brake, then clutch down. But you can also press both the clutch and brake at the same time when you're driving slowly if needed. I've been showing you roads that are quite flat, but if you're driving uphill and want to stop, then come off gas and let gravity slow you down. It's acting almost as a brake. Press the clutch about 2 car lengths before stopping, and then brake. For more tips on stopping on an uphill, have a look at our other video. But why can't you just press the clutch before the brake every time? Well, then you could be coasting, which is making the car freewheel. And it could increase speed like this, which means you'll have to brake more. You lose what is called engine braking. Have a look at what happens to the speed as soon as I press the clutch. So don't press the clutch too early or you'll be coasting. For more information on engine braking, have a look at the link in the description below. Bear in mind that if you want to slow down, but not stop completely, then you won't need to press the clutch, unless you have to change gear. You have to use clutch control in 1st gear when driving very slow. Watch this video next to learn how to do clutch control in slow moving stop-start traffic uphill. Thanks a lot for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.